Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Fiat 500 door handle. Start by parking the car on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical faults. Remove visible screws and gently pry the inner door panel away, keeping clips and screws organized. Locate the handle linkage, unclip it, then remove the mounting bolts and old handle. Install the new handle, confirm smooth latch operation, and reassemble panels in reverse order. I'll walk you through the tools and prep steps before tackling the door handle swap. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, Torx bits, trim tool, needle nose pliers, and a replacement handle. Wear gloves to protect your hands and use a magnetic tray or container for fasteners. Keep the window up and note clip positions as you remove them. Always disconnect the battery until reassembly to avoid electrical surprises now. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. I often recommend accessories that help in small repairs. Quick recommendation: try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading repair manuals and diagrams anywhere. It feels great in hand. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. I appreciate the support, and it keeps more how-to videos coming. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll remove the old handle and inspect linkages for wear or damage. First, detach the inner door panel by removing visible screws and carefully prying clips with your trim tool. Peel back the vapor barrier as needed, then locate and unclip the handle linkage using needle nose pliers. Unscrew the handle mounting bolts, remove the old handle, fit the new handle, test the latch movement before reassembling the door in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.